Yo, what up YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys. Now this package is very unexpected. I wasn't planning on unboxing anything today. I wasn't expecting no packages today. I thought today was going to be a chill day. For the rest of the week, I wasn't expecting no packages until Monday, maybe Sunday. I don't know. Y'all see I got the ThermalTake stuff right here. I was kind of like waiting for my package to come from ThermalTake. As y'all know, I have the Tower 600 bubblegum pink, bubble pink. I said bubblegum pink, bubble pink. So I don't know what this is. It's coming from Amazon. I have no freaking idea. Where's it coming from, literally? Like I said, the only thing I ordered from Amazon, actually I didn't order it, was the case, and that was it. So literally, I don't know what this is. So what I can do is unbox this, bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So we gotta figure out what this is. Because like I said, the only thing I'm expecting to come from Amazon is another Tower 600, but that's not until Monday. And yeah, it's a whole story behind it. So that being said, like I said, I'm not expecting anything in the mail right now. Oh shit. Okay. Damn, this thing's all bent up and danked up and all that. So, what did we get? I'm gonna have to edit this video because it's gonna be hard for me to take this thing out. Okay. That's what we got. Okay, boys, here we go. So, yeah, I just got shocked on this thing. So let's get this off. Oh, I love the smell of this. Okay, there we go. Let's bring this camera down a little bit. Okay. Boom. Ooh, and I just got shocked. Did y'all see that? I know y'all seen that, right? Good thing I didn't have a motherboard out or nothing. Ooh, that shit would have shocked the hell out of me. My screwdrivers is over there, so yeah. So here we go right here, the Tower 600 bubble pink. See right there. So we do have the stand. I want to be careful with this, so you guys can actually see it. There we go. And I will be putting this part on here. So this will be looking like this. Okay, guys. So thank you guys for watching. And I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace. I'm out. Holla.